students. Today we are going to study how to write a review. Open your books on page 125. Have a look at the text. What type of text is it? Where do you see this? It's an online review, perhaps from a blog. Let's read the review. One of my favorite websites is a free photo sharing site called www.photoshowme.com. It's a great place for photographers to show their photos to other people. The site has quite a few good features. Firstly, it's easy to find photographs that you are interested in. They are organized into different categories like travel, food, or people, so you can search for things you want to look at. Another good point is that you can comment on each other's photos, and every month a professional photographer is invited to make comments. In my opinion, you learn a lot from this person's comments. The only problem is that it has too much advertising. I think that's how the site makes money, but when you're looking at beautiful photographs, it's annoying when an advert appears on the screen. On the whole, it's a useful website for anyone who loves taking photographs and communicating with other people about them. So after we read the website review, now we can answer the questions in exercise number 1. Question number 1. What is the purpose of the website? It's a photo sharing website, a place for photographers to show photos. Why does the writer like the website? It's easy to find photographs organized into different categories, can comment on each other's photos. Professional photographer is invited to make comments. You learn a lot from this person's comments. What is one problem with the site? The only problem is that it has too much advertising. What is the writer's conclusion about the site? It's a useful website for anyone who loves taking photographs and communicating with other people about them. And then, after finishing with exercise number 1, you have got exercise number 2. Write down any useful phrases in the review that give positive opinions. Phrases that give positive opinions are: one of my favorite is, it's a great place for, 2. The site has quite a few good features. Firstly, it's easy to. Another good point is that you can. So, all these phrases are used to express positive opinions. Negative opinions. The only problem is that it's annoying when. And some phrases to sum up the writer's main opinion on the whole. Okay? And then, exercise number 2B. Match these phrases to the uses. You have got the answers here. And the vocabulary note. Notice the way cleft sentences are used to give positive and negative opinions. They are used to emphasize the fact that the writer is introducing a positive or negative opinion. Let's compare these two sentences. Too much advertising is the only problem. The only problem is that it has too much advertising. Okay? In the second sentence, the writer wants to emphasize that. Okay? His opinion. In this case, it's negative. At this level, these are best learned at fixed expressions. Structurally, they all follow the same form. One big advantage is that plus clause. Another bad point is that plus clause. On the whole, in general, and to sum up, we can also conclude with expressions to conclude and in conclusion. So these are expressions that we use to conclude a review. Now, after finishing with this explanation, you have got the homework. It's exercise number 4. But to write the review, you have to follow the steps in exercise number 3. Think of a website you often use. Make notes to answer the questions and plan a review of the website, following the structure here. The outline. Paragraph 1, what is the website? What is it for? Paragraph 2, in your opinion, what are the good points about the website? Paragraph 3, are there any bad points or problems with the site? Paragraph 4, on the whole, what do you think about the site? Follow the structure in exercise 3 and write the review in your notebook, homework notebook, exercise number 4. After you finish it, send the photo of that by email. This was the lesson for today. Thank you.